here from My Fussy Eater. Welcome back to my channel, where today I'm going to be showing you how you can get all of this into this. So if you've got a picky eating family, then keep watching, because today I'm going to show you how you can turn 5 different vegetables into a quick and easy hidden veggie tomato sauce. So the ingredients you're going to need for this are 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 medium onion which we've chopped up, 2 cloves of garlic which we're going to crush, 3 carrots chopped, 2 celery sticks chopped, 2 courgettes also chopped up, and a red pepper chopped up as well. We're also going to need some passata, so I'm using 3 cartons, which is about 1.5 kilos or just under 3.5 pounds of passata. We also need 500 ml or 3 cups of vegetable stock, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of dried Italian herbs, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and also some fresh basil. Okay, so to make this, all we're going to do is heat the oil in a pan. We're then going to add in the onions and fry them for about 2 or 3 minutes until they start to soften. We'll then crush in the garlic, give that a stir up and fry probably for about another minute. We'll then add the carrots, the celery, the courgette and the red pepper and stir everything together. And then add in the stock and the passata and give it another mix. We'll then add in the tomato puree, our Italian herbs and paprika. Give everything a good stir and then leave it on the hob and let it reach boiling point. Pop the lid on, reduce to a simmer, and then we're going to leave it for 20 minutes or until the veggies have all softened. So after 20 minutes we're going to add in the fresh basil and then we're going to take it off the heat. Next we're going to need to blend, and you can either use a hand blender, an immersion blender, or else transfer it into a stand blender. If you are using a stand blender, then you may have to do this in a couple of batches because it does make quite a bit of sauce. So we're simply just going to blitz the mixture until it's completely smooth. If the sauce consistency seems a little bit thick, at this stage you can add a splash more of stock or of water just to thin it out a little. At this point I leave the sauce to cool a little and then I transfer it into various containers. So I make 1 big jar to keep in the fridge because it will last in the fridge about 4 days. I also make some batches for the freezer. And the way I like to do this is to pour it into freezer bags because they flatten down and they keep really nice and quite small in the freezer. You can also freeze it in small little individual pots or other small little bags as well, so any kind of size you like is fine. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also go check out my site myfussyeater.com for lots more healthy eating recipes the whole family will enjoy. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Today I'm going to share with you one of my most favourite snacks to make for my kids. It's these really healthy but also super tasty, really delicious chickpea Nutella cookies.